do that now.
Tell me your recipe first. This is pot roast.
Yes. So I just put the beef, rump roast.
Rump roast is what it was?
Rump roast. Yeah. Into what you call it, Le Creuset.
So like a Dutch oven or French oven,
Yeah.
they call it. Yeah, because it's ceramic.
With halfway up with water and French onion mix.
Like the soup mix. So you don't have to submerge the meat, or was the meat fully submerged?
I didn't submerge the meat. I just put a little bit.
So the lid's on, so it keeps steaming it. What about so what kind? How hot was the oven?
350.
How long?
3 hours.
And there's obviously carrots and potatoes.
And then
just
the carrots
right
and
in
potatoes went in on the last hour.
Oh, the last hour. Okay,
Yeah.
so they're not all
And
gray
I
and
also
mushy.
put quartered onions in there too.
Oh, I love onions. I thought I smelled onions.
And it's the French onion mix too. So
Cool.
it's real simple. And,
Yeah, that's simple,
it's
but
tasty.
man,
I like the au jus. And sometimes I put sometimes I put gravy in it, but I didn't this time.
You can always do that afterwards too.
Yeah.
Good.